Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today the donor for the Widebody came in, and I'm really excited because the motor in this car is perfectly fine, and I think we're gonna have a really good time just pulling this motor out and swapping it straight into the Widebody. So yeah, let's get to it. We're just gonna pull this motor and throw it into the other car. Alrighty, so we got the motor in, we got the transmission and everything screwed up. So we're just buttoning up a few things like the wiring, the AC, the clutch, everything. But we went ahead and got some brand new oil for this thing, and it's going to be better if we just go ahead and change it right now, just so whenever we're first starting this motor, so it starts up real nice and well. So we're going to go ahead and change the oil as well on it, and yeah. So before we go ahead and crank the car, we're going to throw on this unequal length header that actually came on the donor car where we got the motor from. So we're going to go ahead and bolt this on and hopefully give the car a start. Alrighty, so we got everything buttoned up, all the wiring is good, and now we're going to throw on the belt, which is the main thing, and then after that we'll go ahead and crank the car and see if it starts.